Let's get into it. Watch me go from this to this. Stay tuned. First things first, before I even touch my hair, I gotta go re-up on products. And I only shop at KESHA Beauty Supply. This is a black-owned beauty supply in Douglasville, Georgia. She always has what I need, and she's knowledgeable about the products that she sells. If you're ever in the area, be sure to shop with KESHA and check out her corner. It's real cute to take pictures and do some TikToks. I just took down my protective style and I got a little build up. And if you had a protective style like braids, you know how that goes. I'm going to start with my wide tooth rat tail comb and part my hair into 4 sections. I sometimes use clips to section off my hair, but because my hair is so thick, I have a tendency of breaking clips, so I used elastic bands this time. And as you can see, I'm disgusted with the dandruff, so we're going to hop right into it with the main choice pre-poo. I'm a co-wash girl because I find shampoo to be drying to my hair. However, because of the buildup, I do need to shampoo. So I decided to go with the pre-poo first because it coats the strands of your hair to help protect the hair during the shampoo process. I started by finger combing the pre-poo through my hair, but my hair is just too thick. So I pulled out my dimming brush to continue detangling and pre-pooing. When using the dimming brush to detangle, it is so important to start at the bottom of your hair and work your way to the top to avoid excessive tangles. Now I am detangled, pre-pooed, and ready for the real poo. Poo! I start by wetting my hair all over before adding product. And I have to get in there. Because if I don't get in there, all of my hair won't get wet. This is a video for girls with thick hair. Now we're going in with the main choice, Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo. I went with the Tropical Moringa line for the shampoo and conditioner because I took the cap off and it smelled so good, but it claims to be ultra moisturizing and I needed moisture. I always have to go back and get more product because what? My hair is thick. I really like having thick hair, but I had one hairstylist refuse to do my hair. So, God, please bless the hands of all the hairstylists that touch my hair. Amen. Because of all the gunk I had in my hair from my braids, I had to run that shampoo back one more time just to make sure my hair is squeaky clean. Now I'm going in with my detangling brush, brushing from the bottom to the top to prevent tangles. Then I'm going to go in with my conditioner. And I'm going to need a lot of conditioner. Because what? This conditioner can serve as a rinse out or a leave-in. And I decided to work it in and leave it in. Now I'm feeling better with clean hair. I used a microfiber towel to dry. That way my hair wouldn't get too dry. But check out this shrinkage. I got long hair on the low. Don't play with my hang time. I'm back to using my elastic bands along with a metal clip that I can't break to separate my hair to get ready for styling. I usually part my hair into 4 sections for styling, but instead I parted half of my hair into 2 sections, and the other half I just went through with product. You definitely want to keep your hair wet while adding product, so I'll be using my Fine Mist spray bottle. I have the link to this below, as well as all the other products I used, just in case you're not in the area and you can't stop by KESHA's. Next, I'll be using the Sweet Oils and Honey Endless Moisture Sealing Cream to seal all the moisture in from the leave-in conditioner that I added to my hair. I'm using my Denman brush to work in that sealing cream and detangle a little more before I go in with my gel. Using my wide tooth rat tail comb, I'll be parting my hair into small sections to start working in my Wetline Extreme Gel. Now, I have a friend who believes that the Wetline Extreme Gel that comes in the squeeze bottle is better than the gel that comes in the jar. So I went with the bottle because her hair always looks bomb. I continue to part in small sections using the gel and the water bottle simultaneously. It's so important to part into small sections because you want every strand to get that product in. No strand left behind, and make sure you get the roots too because you don't want puffy roots. Once I finished with the gel, I used my blow dryer and attached my diffuser and started diffusing my hair. I personally like to sit under a hooded dryer and then diffuse later, but to cut styling time down, I'll just hop right into diffusing. Diffusing hair has been known to reduce frizz and add volume, but I add more volume using my pick. When picking my hair, I only pick at the roots. I don't pick at the curls because that'll make the curls more frizzy. My bangs were hanging in my eyes, so I took some hair scissors and clipped them a little bit. It's just hair. Lastly, I used the Miele Organics Curl Refreshing Spray to give me a light hold. And this is my final look 2 days post wash and go. I wish I would have caught it a day earlier when it was fresh because 2 days in, it started to get a little bigger, a little frizzier, but it's a look. I like it. I can never go wrong with curls, and going natural was the best thing I have ever done. Any questions you have, I'm an open book. Leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget I got links to all the products that I use for my wash and go down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.